Good afternoon to all of you. I am the reporter number 4. Can someone please? Thank you.
In the arithmetic sequence, the fifth term is 12 and the 12th term is 40. What is the common difference and first term?
The given is a sub 5, 12, a 12, 40, and what is that? What is in it to the 5? Anong kailangan natin hanapin?
A sub 1 and common difference.
Thank you. The formula we're using is a sub n equal a sub 1 plus n minus 1 b. There's also a question that we are using, and it is 12 equal a1 plus 4d, and equation 2 is 40 equal a sub 1 plus 11b. Rather than putting a5 here, we use 12, and it should be 12 here too, but we use 40. Then, yung nahanap na natin ng equation, isosubtract naman natin siya. Ang hanapin kasi natin muna ay common difference. We'll be using subtract these two first. It will be 28, negative 28. Then, in a sub 1, we're just gonna cancel it because we're gonna find it with the here. And 40 and minus 11d, it will become negative 70. And we're just gonna divide these two, then the answer is 4. Now that we find the difference, we're going to find the first term now. Here, 12 equals a sub 1 plus 4 times 4, 16. Then we're gonna just, what we are doing?
Transpose.
I transpose it then, and I transpose these two, then become negative 4. So our a sub 1 is negative 4.
So it is 12 minus 16.
Ano? 16 minus 12. At tama na pala, 12 minus 16. Ayun.